What if I tell you that you can start building up your 4,000 watch hours today without uploading a single video? Yes, as long as you have up to 50 subscribers, you can literally start getting your 4,000 watch hours as fast as possible. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a proven strategy. A simple hack, guys. You don't even need to upload any video. I'm going to be giving you 2 strategies that I have tried, that a lot of people have tried. In fact, a lot of people have testified in my comment section, and that is why I'm having the full confidence to do this video. Now, I've actually shared this strategy before, but I feel like a lot of new persons need to learn about this. If you're struggling with 4,000 watch hours, if you've been trying so hard to get your 4,000 watch hours and you've not tried this method, guys, this is a game changer. I'm not even joking. And I'm going to be walking you through step by step how you can actually use this method to start building up your 4,000 watch hours. Now, I'm not in this video to promise you that you can get this 4,000 watch hours in 2 days, in 3 days, in 4 days, or 1 week. I'm not going to promise you that. But trust me, this hour has actually gotten people 4,000 watch hours within 4 days, within 7 days. But I'm not promising you that. Okay, because every channel differs. And every consistency differs. The way, if you can be consistent with this approach, if you can take this approach very seriously, do it consistently, do it at least 4 or 5 times in a week, guys, you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours. There's nobody that tried this strategy that is not seeing a result. If you can do it consistently and be serious with it, 4,000 watch hours is not even going to be your problem. I'm not even joking. In fact, I'm super excited as I'm doing this video right now. Now, this simple hack I'm talking about is what a lot of small YouTubers are ignoring. For you to use this method, you should actually have up to 50 subscribers, right? If you don't have up to 50 subscribers, why are you not having up to 50 subscribers? Subscriber is the cheapest thing to grow on YouTube, guys. I have a video on this channel where I shared how you can get monetized in 30 days. I shared a particular strategy that you can use to get your 1,000 subscribers very fast. Do well to check out that video. Now, check out that video so that you can quickly get at least 50 subscribers and then try this hack. You don't need to wait for 6 months, 10 months, 1 year for you to actually monetize your channel. You can now monetize your channel very fast. Just get, if you don't have 50 subscribers, check out that video right now. If I remember while editing this video, I'm going to put a link to that video in the description box. You can check it out. And if it's not in the description box, just check out my channel. The thumbnail is how to monetize in 30 days. Now, if you have actually gotten your 1,000 subscribers, you want to monetize your channel very fast, you're just waiting for 4,000 watch hours to complete. You're just waiting for watch hours to complete your 4,000 watch hours. Then come closer, because this strategy is majorly for you. I'm going to be showing you 2 methods to achieve this. Don't skip and skip away the best part, guys. Without much being said, let's head over to my screen, guys. So, guys, for the first method, simply go to YouTube, okay? So this is my YouTube app here. Open your YouTube app and go straight to the plus icon down here. Look below here, you're going to see the plus icon on live. Once you click on live, it's going to bring you to this interface, okay? Look at this plus icon here. You click on the plus icon. Before you even click on the plus icon, touch this arrow that is down here. Okay? Once you click on the down arrow, you come down here that says hide video. You tap on hide video. Okay? Once you tap on hide video, it's literally going to bring you to this interface. After that, you tap on the pencil icon. Once you tap on the pencil icon, you can click on this place to upload your thumbnail. Okay, just click on it. It's going to lead you where you can take a thumbnail or you upload a thumbnail. Okay, after that, you come down here and input your title. Just clean it and input your title. You can put something like you can never play this game. Okay, ensure it is on public. Put your audience not to be made for kids. Okay, and then input your description and then click on next. Now, once you click on next, you click on go live. Now, after that, it's going to bring you to this interface where you're going to see this setting icon. You're going to see this second icon. Then you're going to see this gaming icon. Okay. But then the amazing feature we're using is this one right here. Just tap on it. Okay. Once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to all of this game. You're going to see so many games. Like so many games. Okay. So many games. Just keep scrolling. You're going to see different type of games. What's Wonders, Double Stars, What's Wonder. See, a lot of games are there that you can actually spend time to play. And the essence of you playing all of this game is so that you can actually engage with yourself. People are going to engage with you while playing. And as they're engaging with you, you're getting engagement, you're getting more views. People have literally gotten over 10,000 views with this. With this, as you're playing it, ensure you take a screen record, okay? Ensure you take a screen record because it is literally going to help you. You can literally use it to screen record and then get more views as well. Now, that first method is an amazing method that works for any niche, no matter the niche. Okay, no matter the niche you are in the faceless niche, the gaming niche, it is not for only people that are doing games. Okay, in fact, let me explain that strategy. How that strategy is simply going to help you get your watch hour is this: you're going to be playing games. You're going to be using game because a lot of people love games, right? You're going to go live and you're playing that game. As you're spending time playing the game, people are joining your life. If you do it right now, they may not join. Ensure you target the afternoon period. Ensure you target the period between 12, 3, and then in the evening. That is when you're going to be playing your game. Spend time to play that game. As you're playing your game, you can just give the title of your life a curiosity-based title. As you're playing that game, people are actually going to be watching you. They're going to be joining your life. As you're playing the game, some person might even want to be correcting you. By so doing, you're getting engagements. You can even say, who wants to play with me? Now, what you can literally do again, actually do a screen record. As you're playing the game, you can be doing a screen record of the game you're playing. Do a screen record of at least 10 minutes. Now, download that screen record. Now, use that screen record and do a screencast. I'm going to be showing you another method right now that you can actually use that screen recorded game. Okay, it may not even be, it's not even compulsory for you to use this particular game. You can look for an interesting game, a game that you feel is actually interesting. Okay, record yourself playing that game, record it, and I'm going to show you how you can actually use it in the second method. Okay, by so doing, you can actually use that method and also get your 4,000 watch hours as well. The first one you're going to be live playing. You're not uploading any video. The second one, you can screen record the game you're playing. It can be a Candy Crush. A subscriber of mine actually reached out to me. He actually used Candy Crush. Like, he was literally playing and he was getting 100,000 views, 50,000 views. See, this is his consistency. That guy literally got it in 1 week. He was consistent with it. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that I'm not promising you the time you're going to get it. But trust me, you can actually get it. I've seen like up to 4 or 5 people that I watched that tried this strategy after I shared this strategy the first time. And it actually worked for them. So it's going to work for you. Ensure you take it very, very serious. And please, as you're trying this strategy, ensure you're also uploading your long form video. Do not just be trying only this strategy on your channel and abandon uploading long form video. You need to keep uploading your long form video so that you're going to keep building your audience. Because this strategy you're using is not from your niche. Okay? You're only using it to get your 4,000 watch hours. And after your 4,000 watch hours, you can actually stop it. Okay? But do not stop uploading your long form videos. So let's head over to my screen. Let me show you the second method. Now, for the second method, you still need to go back to YouTube Live. Okay? You go back to YouTube Live for the second method as well. Now, after that, what you're going to do is click on the plus icon again. Okay? Impute your title. Ensure it is on public. Ensure you have a thumbnail. Click on this place right here to impute your thumbnail, right? After imputing your thumbnail, you're going to see this screencast. Okay? Now, this screencast is going to bring you to if you click on this screencast, just toggle it on. No, it's not made for kids. Okay, now you're going to click on got it. Once you click on got it, It's going to bring you to this interface that says start. Once you click on start, I don't want to click on start because if I click on start now, my recording is going to stop. Once you click on start, it's going to take you to your gallery. You're going to see your gallery where you're going to see the video, the screencast you've recorded, or the video you've recorded from the game you played. This simply means that you have to play your game first. Okay? Even if you don't want to use that game, you can use any recorded video of your choice. You can use any recorded video of your choice that is actually interesting. Right? And you're supposed to loop it. So just look for how you're going to loop your phone. Okay? Like I always say, use VLC. That video you've recorded, download a VLC app and open that video from your VLC app. In the VLC app, you're going to see loop this video, or you're going to see repeat mode. Tap on repeat mode and you are good to go. After that, you're going to see live. Click on go live and your video will start recording. Leave it to play for at least 11 hours or 10 hours. Ensure your phone is fully charged. That is how that method actually works. If you enjoyed this video, do what to like, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.